When a military vehicle survives a double-tank mine blast on the front line, it is not luck, it is deliberate engineering. A 23,500 kilogram monster covered in classified armor has just done exactly that in the Donbas region. This is the Mastiff Protected Patrol Vehicle, a heavily modified British Army asset that is rewriting the rules of survival in the 2026 Ukraine conflict. In an era where modern armor worth millions of dollars is exposed and left defenseless by swarms of kamikaze drones, this rugged veteran from the Afghanistan war is performing the unthinkable. Military reports from early 2026 confirm that the Mastiff has sustained direct hits from anti-tank mines and rocket-propelled grenades, yet its crew compartments remained entirely untouched, saving every life inside. Global defense analysts are now arguing that this heavy platform might be the ultimate shield for infantry. But as the conflict intensifies, this massive vehicle is being pushed to its absolute physical limits on the muddy terrain of Eastern Europe. If a 23,500 kilogram steel fortress cannot protect its vital mechanical parts from being immobilized, it becomes a useless target on the battlefield. Are military planners witnessing a brilliant tactical adaptation of existing British armor? Or is this heavy machine simply running out of time against the fast evolution of modern warfare? Before we go on, if you want to discover how cutting-edge military technology survives the harshest combat zones on Earth, hit that subscribe button right now and tell me where you are watching from. To truly understand the operational reality of the Mastiff Protected Patrol Vehicle in 2026, we must modify our perspective and look past its incredible survival record to analyze its severe physical boundaries. The baseline version of this vehicle, the American-made Cougar 6x6, initially weighed around 17,000 kilograms. However, when British engineers at NP Aerospace added the classified Dorchester armor package alongside heavy steel slat armor to neutralize rocket-propelled grenades, they created a massive engineering compromise. This extensive upgrade pushed the total combat weight of the Mastiff 3 to a staggering 23,500 kilograms. This means the original 330 horsepower Caterpillar C7 diesel engine is constantly forced to operate at 110% of its intended capacity just to move this iron fortress. During the first half of 2026, frontline tactical reports from Eastern Europe revealed a devastating logistical pattern. When deployed across the deep mud of the muddy mud season, the Mastiff completely loses its maximum road speed of 105 kilometers per hour. Instead, the excessive weight causes the vehicle to sink more than 30 centimeters into the soft earth. This immense mechanical strain has resulted in a 40% increase in drive shaft fractures and suspension failures across the fleet. It is a critical vulnerability because an immobilized vehicle quickly becomes defenseless against coordinated artillery strikes. Furthermore, the thick bulletproof glass windows limit the driver to a narrow viewing angle of less than 45 degrees. In the current 2026 threat environment, where first-person view kamikaze drones utilize high-angle trajectories to hit the thinnest roof armor, this massive blind spot leaves the Mastiff dangerously exposed. The very armor designed to save the crew has created a profound tactical paradox of weight versus mobility. Despite these heavy mechanical burdens, the Mastiff Protected Patrol Vehicle has achieved an extraordinary tactical evolution to counter the threats of 2026. To neutralize the deadly blind spot caused by first-person view drones, frontline units have integrated a sophisticated tactical modification. The massive platform has been transformed into a mobile electronic warfare station, drawing direct electrical current from its heavy-duty generator to power multi-band jamming antennas on the roof. Military data from the Ukrainian 35th Marine Brigade in early 2026 reveals that these vehicle-mounted electronic warfare kits create a 50-meter protective bubble, successfully disrupting the control frequencies of 82% of incoming kamikaze drones between 400 and 900 megahertz. Simultaneously, the original engineering features of the Mastiff continue to demonstrate unmatched effectiveness against heavy explosive threats. Its classic V-shaped hull remains highly successful at diverting the supersonic shockwaves of 5-kilogram trinitrotoluene detonations from standard TM-62 anti-tank mines away from the chassis. This blast deflection is paired with a specialized blast attenuation seating system, where troop seats are suspended directly from the roof rather than bolted to the floor, isolating the soldiers from the intense vertical acceleration of a ground explosion. According to recent strategic assessments by leading global defense institutes, this unique combination of heavy mechanical protection and field-modified electronic warfare allows the Mastiff to maintain a vital tactical role. As the United Kingdom accelerates its land mobility program to replace legacy vehicles with the newer modular Boxer 8x8 platform by 2030, the remaining British Mastiff inventory is expected to provide essential support. Over the next 3 to 12 months, these highly resilient vehicles will likely continue serving as critical armored casualty evacuation assets and secure command nodes, preserving valuable infantry lives under dense artillery fire. The resilience of the Mastiff protected patrol vehicle on the modern battlefields of 2026 leaves global defense planners with a profound strategic lesson. This 23,500 kilogram machine proves that while high technology dominates headlines, the unyielding physical protection of heavy armor remains an absolute necessity when the artillery shells start falling. The tactical survival of this platform brings to light a deep clash between two fundamental military philosophies. On one side is the traditional British doctrine of maximum survivability, which willingly sacrifices speed and stresses mechanical components to ensure that infantrymen can survive the most devastating blast. On the other side is the emerging 2026 doctrine of hypermobility, which relies on lighter, faster vehicles equipped with artificial intelligence and active protection systems to avoid being targeted in the first place. As the United Kingdom pushes forward with its land mobility program, phase-out targets indicate that the era of the massive, single-purpose counterinsurgency vehicle is drawing to a close. However, the operational record of this armored beast proves that existing equipment can be remarkably adaptable when paired with field modifications like multi-band electronic warfare jammers. The strategic takeaway is clear. Technology can augment a platform, but it cannot entirely replace the physical security of a well-engineered steel hull. If you were a frontline commander preparing to lead your troops through a heavily contested grid sector in 2026, would you place your trust in the thick, proven armor of a 23,500 kilogram Mastiff? Or would you choose a lighter, faster vehicle with advanced electronic countermeasures? Let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. Hit that like button to support deep technical analysis, and subscribe to stay updated on the fast-changing world of defense technology.